Dan saan yung cover? Panel.
Wala na yung spaghetti.
I-vlog natin siya mamaya. Vlog natin.
Vlog mo?
May YouTube channel ako eh.
Yun, oh. Dapat papalo ko yan. Ayan, naka-ready na ah. Ako sa taas. Meron.
What the hell is this? How could you find me who's running and decided to divorce and bring it out? That bastard said everything.
Just turn it on. Do you want to argue in front of her? I didn't want you to let yourself answer, but you won't pick up the phone. You don't answer any of their calls. And those emails?
I'm not talking. That's kind of something that's a pretty much what I'm thinking. I'm nauseous. I can't lie.
You won't believe it? I really do want you to be happy. It gets easier to sign papers. For both of our interests, it's too much for you. For you, for me, for the girl.
Sound. I want my life like that. Okay, yeah, we're good. Angela's waiting for us. Baby girls. Let's go. Open door. This is not my house, it's your daughter's house. Open it. Unlock the door, Dad. Unlock it. Will you? Okay, Dad.
Careful.
Muna kaya. Meron doon.
Dad, open the door.
Ang dating na tatago. Tatago pa doon.
What if I ask Angela to go take you out?
Ha?
You need to get.
Wala.
Here, hold the door. I'll take him out to the room.
Mati na ko.
Louise, I'm sorry, but I can't do this.
Ano ko rin yan?
Come on, go in. You need to wash your hands. Go in.
I mean, you'll go crazy. I'm fine.
No. You swear more of you was
Come on. That's right.
have breakfast and bring back. It's really important, okay? need to keep our composure.
All right, Designer. Get up.
We're being very clear. Tell the truth, because we have nothing to hide. Right, sweetie? Today we have a chance to say what we know, because they were innocent, that's it.
Bali hindi pa pala yan nagamit mo, sir.
Hindi pa.
Tama lang tayo.
Fucking way, look at this receipt.
No. How could this happen? Isn't it closing the room?
This is like a fucking festival. Are you kidding me?
No, we need to go. Stay calm, sir. We're saying, calm down. How could you let this happen? Rodrigo!
Patay stage.
We're getting better. As soon as we get this circus upstairs, come on. Here. We're all set. Huh? Back to you. Your bedroom?
This one.
Yung mga ano nito.
I was wearing this. Yeah, this dress here. You know that there?
Yes.
I had this on. And this.
That's good. Mommy,
Dapat pala gaganyan eh. Hindi ilaw agad eh.
I walked around the living room. And I tried to find
one more question. Where are the swim suits you got from Alfonso that day?
I'm sorry. I don't understand.
The swim suits, yes. You said that on Saturday, the 21st.
Yeah, this is Alfonso.
The swim suits for a good while.
Oh, yes. Yeah.
Oh,
And here. Right here. Here they are. These are the swimsuits.
No, just Miss Fortune, here's something. Use Mom Toto to pick these up and let you go to the house.
Yes.
When you come back to Mom Toto and you discover she's gone, nevertheless, you are confident at the time to focus and put them in the door. Is that right? Are you sure you're telling me the truth?
I don't understand. I know what you want from me.
He knows.
Oh,
You're not.
ex-husband.
No? That's because you never know anything, isn't that right? If I ask you about some photos, you say you don't know what I'm talking about. Right? What photos? Which one? Some photos I want you. Let's see if we remember.
So, you're going to have contests?
Yes, let's go.
What's real?
I'm telling you, they murdered her. They murdered her for the inheritance. Because the grandfather left it all to the girl. I know, because she's my cousin.
It's hard to say. I don't understand.
Hindi. Ito sa mga outside.
Kinakabit niya. Kinakabit niya. Kahit ang... Oh, yun na. Oo. Magpa-vlog na nga siya eh. Vlogger ko na to eh. No. Vlogger ko na to siya eh.
Lahat, si Bin Amen.
What are those? Those are my shorts. I wear them around the house. Those are your shorts. Yes. You have a problem with your shorts.
No. Hindi ko siguro. Sakto.
Excuse me. This laptop is Mr. President.
Ha?
You won't find Where does he give that? He's here the first time search. Do you really think you're innocent? I'm saying there's not enough evidence to keep them in jail. Right, that's it. Did you hear their stories? You were right there during the search. The two kept contradicting each other, changing versions of the story. They had nothing common. They got Bordenberg and they got Payne. During the search, in my view, at least in my view, I saw the exact opposite. His apartment is like a shrine dedicated to his daughter and your drawings. The photos. That's right, the photos. Do you need a reminder of the type of pictures he took of his daughter? Can I show you them again? Because it's my daughter, I'm not taking those photos. Those photos don't prove anything. I just know. So, you two are over here. What's your opinion? There's definitely evidence that this was already alive.
And these things are unidentified as far as
We analyzed the car and provided a shred of evidence that has them on the road where they found the girl. Nothing. No dirt. No little path. Of course there wasn't dirt on purpose because they were driving for days from Santiago. We haven't found the floor mats in the back of the car. That tells me everything right there. Also, it's ridiculous. We found Tristan on the vehicle from your father, Luis, with no there it is. Everyone has the same old comeback. You're the trunk car. I'm the father, you're not. How much proof do you need? When the camera like out of the race, shows Rosario driving over the car. The mother, fine. But what about the father? Where's the evidence? There's no signal from his phone, and he doesn't appear in any camera footage that entire Because he was hiding from them. He had plenty of time to pop out those cameras.
And the camera, like Adelaide, why wasn't he in the
It was
car?
on Joe. That's
It was a neighbor, John Rosario, living in their place. He was hiding in too.
Maybe he hid with the body in the trunk from the bottom. We've come across this before. How do you explain this? When Bob was behind the last week, right after that girl fell over his complaint.
Now think about it. Why on earth did you think the resident was dark for
Why are
months?
you asking me? Here it is. The lab reports are right here. I guess they were testing resistance.
Let's be serious, Luis. It makes no sense when the report concluded the killer gave the girl 27 pills in the day of the murder.
Why does he keep defending his wife after she threw him away? She didn't tell the truth about Montoya, that the girl was the house. But the tissue in the bathroom has the DNA of the mother and the daughter, and then there's the twin. Rosario's cousin said there was an inheritance in the It's fucking obvious. I don't know the extent, but he was involved. It was through a smoke you think.
It's not all of this. The world would be hurt.
All right. Maybe you're right. I'll release him, okay? And you can explain why they didn't tell those people the truth.
They've already judged and sentenced him down.
Well, you can't blame me.
No, come on. I think that this process wasn't discreet up to this point.
Is that an accusation I
No, of course not. Don't worry, of course not. I want to be clear. We're on the same team.
I'm sure, Nick. Sure. Let's keep working. Yes, that's the question.
If you're right, and Alfonso hid from the cameras, why did he allow the cameras?
Saturday, September 21st. You know you made strong plans for mushrooms in this hospital case. What did you know?
She didn't have any time. However, I think she had some liquid yogurt purchasing. And then I took the medication I was.
I'm sorry, what medication?
I'm out of treatment. Alfonso handles my cases and I take what he gives me because he is methodical. He's very attentive. My type is methodical beyond. I
You're
would
not
get
from
sometimes.
Paris. I have no idea what that meant. Never mind. Right. You told us before the girl we got on.
This is, she rings my son. She walks back. It's usually around
Sila dalawa hawakan.
Smoke.
Okay, Miss Porter. I need to know something so I can understand the situation. When you initially called and reported she was missing,
Wala pala ako ito.
you were clear at the time.
Tayo.
Oh, of course, it was happening.
Ngayon, sanay na.
So you're on child fire examples. You know,
Sanay na
I
mag-round.
recall the details, which are very important. Taste of the lip.
It's not like that, you
Oo,
are.
akala.
It's not. But I was really nervous. So nervous, so extremely nervous.
O yate natin sa kayamanan dyan, kung kay kayo.
So you left your place around 6 p.m. You said you got to the garage. I think you said around 6, correct? You were drunk late. That's when you remember she got stabbed, right?
May laban na.
One customer, he claimed that this was and when I went upstairs to grab a box of food, when I saw the phone,
Oo, may laban na. May laban na.
I was absolutely convinced of it.
Your Honor, you played too much time. You mistake. I'm going to be so much for the child last time. Miss Cortez, do you have any interest in finding the person for you? Please tell me when you recall that you talked to Miss Montoto, or was that just now?
No, I think I remember that. I recall that late on Monday.
On Monday. Monday? 3 days passed and you tell us now. Did you tell Alfonso?
Ito pa rin mo ako.
I didn't tell him.
Hindi ka
I was afraid he would accuse me of leaving the house for years.
Listen, you're done. They found over 20 pills of the drug lorazepam. Over 20. When you came down to get the car, who helped you get it? Because your daughter had so many
Matatanggal
drugs.
ko ba yung kulit?
This is
Cases
possible.
niya.
Patatanggap ko yan,
She was
ano lang po yun, yung plastic.
I thought she was discussing with me. I thought I was always joking around.
There were only 20 pills inside.
She was fine that day. I mean it. She's my daughter. I know
Ang
her.
bago ko natin wala parang linalabas. Sige.
Lie.
Mandara.
Your daughter can barely stand up. Their father had a puller to keep her from falling down.
What did you say?
Pwede ko
That
dyan,
was
bakit ba?
important, or was lying, and then he lied, and
No, maybe it's a husband who said that. I made her come home as soon as I left.
well, look,
Kasunod na ba yan?
I'm fine. I'm just putting this September.
Sir, ay mga ano, Allen
I'm
Rings.
guessing she didn't say that to you.
Halaro!
Oo po eh, magbablog na kami ni ano eh.
Ha?
Magbablog na kami, nakaresin ako. Makakaway-kaway na nga ako eh.
That's why we did.
Ano size?
Sorry.
I made a call to my father that
Ano size?
the woman was speaking in church and people.
Ano lang ito?
Ano yan ah?
He did he sent me on this boat. That's the truth. I lied to my father about it. I lied to him, but I called to tell him to watch her because I was finding out.
Tell me. How was your and your father's relationship after?
The only time I was ever in contact with him was when he threatened me. All those threatening emails he sent me, all those things he said to me. He ruined my life. He's a man who's cheating on his perfect wife.
Nakaway pa lang pinatong sa mga muna yan.
Ha?
I know all your secrets, remember? I'm trying to tell all the world about you. You were
You
so...
have to voice
Ano gusto ko?
continue your relationship with the Senate. And 4 months later,
Tapos,
you're admitted to a hospital to treat your depression.
tinira niya na eh.
Ha?
Tinira ni...
You should not run that life like this.
Ano? Siyang katitira.
More.
Ito?
Yeah, nothing's changed.
Sinapiyan lang pala ng...
Really? You like? Sorry.
Well, for example,
Tum-tum na walang malay.
in divorce for 4 months.
Wala, yung ginawang kahoy yung pinayo kong bakal doon na ano ah.
Just had some.
Anim yata yan.
I have a family. Think of me.
Ginawang palupsina.
Oh, you know
Bakal naging palupsina lang. Ha?
I can believe it.
Yung bakal naging palupsina. Oo.
You obviously don't like it.
Yung bulan eh.
Oh, what?
Naging palupsina.
Who's talking about your family?
You.
I was talking about us. Why do this? Why are we together?
Story. Serious story. This is fucking ridiculous.
Listen,
Kaluto, ito yung ito.
so, honestly, when you're married, when we bought the tickets, what are you talking about?
I'm busy with my son. Our relationship's over, okay?
Why would you say that?
It's over.
There's someone else visiting? Another girl?
Crazy.
You folks on birds? Seriously? Is it Dang?
Take care of
Where are you going? Yeah. Okay. Is it Dang?
Ay, tanggal tayo ng plastic.
Well, I talked to the doctor. He said, I think it's probably from all the stress. And that, Charlie told me, over shoulder, don't get scared, okay? Go run some tests. You'll stay here for at least another week. You'll be fine. I mean, you like other food. Don't even worry about her girl. She's staying otherwise. Just focus on yourself. I'm getting better. You're the love of my life, Charlie. You used to. We're divorced. Well, there's a piece of paper saying divorce. But Ron doesn't know that. It doesn't. He deserves someone who takes care of him. And knows how to take care of him. And that's me. I'm here for him. As long as we're just pretend I have a family. Huh? There's no hope for anyone else. Who takes care of you like us? No one. And it's up to you if we stay together. Even then. It's gonna be so good. Tell me, Mr. Mister, why did you suddenly become a close to this poison? We're talking about the end of June for the hospitalization, and I believe you two came to an agreement. We're living with mother and daughter, and if anyone can help her with her illness, I'm also helping my daughter.
So you give her Lorette. Do you keep it at home?
No, they're over and over.
On the day of the murder, was Carol in the pill after you had lunch together?
Wait, what?
Wait, what? Did you or didn't you give it to her?
Only if she forgets.
Ah, if she forgets. Since when are you in charge of Mr. Cooper's medication?
No, you
Since
misunderstood.
when? On June 5th, July 17th, and September 16th, 2013. This is the pharmacy. Is this your first memory of the
What I remember is Charles was sick. And around that time, I realized that was keeping
So don't think about it.
well, I'm telling you the truth about everything.
And it's a fact that only gave you about the back of what we did in the apartment.
I can tell you what looks like.
I'd rather know where your laptop is.
I told you at the time of the search. I don't know what happened.
I'm
No,
Then stick to answering my questions.
you're gonna let these people develop Stay to answer my questions, please.
Pills, Mr. Buscaron, pills.
Those pills was for Charlotte. They were prescribed by a good friend, Dr. Perez. He prescribed them, and I just picked them up.
So you felt busy again on the third, 6 days after you bought the second box, and you began to 2 days after you bought the plastic. Mom didn't take your plastic issue for this pursuit. Were you aware of this disease?
Of course I was aware. I took care of myself on some of those things.
And it didn't hurt you to take it to a doctor?
Well, it was an isolated incident.
This was then. I saw you confess something to a music teacher. You said that you were making her use something like that. What about this mysterious life pattern, Mr. Step?
He was medication for allergies or anyone.
Yeah, so I said, oh, I should have given to that for allergies. We have a written statement from her pediatrician. So, this is interesting. Can you believe that a high dose of lorazepam, not just about anyone, I'm accusing you of drugging the child you adopted, maybe because you wanted to look at her the way a real father never did. Do you remember the photos we had of evidence? Or you still absolutely all the way
I don't know what it's in.
Secretly, no, I wasn't insinuating anything. It's an accusation. You manipulated your ex-wife with drug and six-year mother. You thought it was so smart. You set her up to take the blame. That's all right. How could you say that? For God's sake, she was my daughter. I love her with my soul. I would have done anything for her. Yeah. Are you okay, my love? Charles?
They're broken. Broken. And it's so many times.
You don't worry. I'm just nauseous. You'll be okay. How did it go with the
judge? Well, there's a deal that we talked about, but there's nothing to worry about, Tony. You hear me? We'll be out of here before you know it. Look, can you settle down? Can you try to relax? Today was really hard. Honey, what do you expect? All our friends are staying safe in their houses, supporting us unconditionally. Kuka, Tino, Laura, everyone. The crowd out there are lowlifes. They don't know how to do anything else. They're obsessed with television and morning news, nothing more. They don't matter. The ones who do, the ones who count, are the good ones. They're good people, and the good ones are with us. Right? So see here, looking at me, everyone. We're here because they have to move us out. Nothing more.
You know, the friends we need to take care of.
What? It's impossible. Wait, officer! Officers!
So, something.
Charlie, we'll fix this. We'll fix this. They can't do this. We'll talk to Rodrigo. I'm sure it's a mistake. I'm sure. I know with all my heart that you're innocent.
Some murder is a terrible.
Seriously, I know. And that's the reason we'll fix this thing. You hear me? We'll see each other very soon.
I'm sorry I hurt you so much.
What do you do about people? Those people outside the apartments all day long. They're their neighbors, but they look like they want to die.
Yeah, so it wasn't true there.
Do you have a plan? They put them in jail. It's like they've been sentenced already.
Listen to what I said. I can't defend those are responsible.
Come on. Don't tell me you think they were. Is that
It's because I'm not criminal. I don't have the expertise needed to help them.
so? But you still didn't answer my question. Are they guilty in your opinion?
That is for the court to decide.
She is my daughter. Karen, I promise you that. No way to do it. I don't believe anyone can be. How could a mother and father murder their own family?
I'm not gonna lie, Lois. The evidence is there. I do think there's one more about this.
How do you want to approach this, Dad?
I want to start from the beginning.
Hey, I think this is the thing you've done. You take a picture, then you outline your stories. You take the words. Just let that girl rest in peace already. You look at it. Of course I have done. It's there, at the end of the road. Right where you park your car. I already told them about reporters, but of course they don't listen to me. No one believes me.
Other reports.
Hey, you're not generous?
Worse. We're lawyers.
For who?
We represent Miss Rosario Court.
My couples feel like they're being dragged through hell. And I know the news.
It's real. What makes you say that?
That night when the girl was killed, My wife and I were up for a walk around here up to 11 p.m. And we didn't see anything. 11 percent. I swear to God, it was 11:15 or 11:20 when we walked right by the car. We were pulled away. Nothing was there, no girl or anything. But the officers didn't believe me.
Yeah, and Roman is
Jose Miranda Ramos.
report. It says the civil guard spoke with him.
Okay, do me a favor, look at the report from there, the official report from Alfonso Rizal. I don't know, you're sure?
11:15, 11:20, around there.
The report from this 10:41, 21st of September. When you and your wife passed by, there was no sign of the girl.
I'm telling you, when we walked by here, there was nothing.
I remember, so to be secluded. I want to start from the beginning.
Let's just let that girl rest in peace already.
You do that?
Yeah, of course I go around here. There, the end of the road. Right where you parked your car. I already told the other reporters to pull in and listen to me. No one believes me.
Oh,
There, you got the yours?
where's, we're going. Oh,
We represent Mr. Valley report.
My couple was feeling like being dragged through that. And I know the reason.
what makes you say that?
That night when the girl was killed, my wife and I were up for a walk around here up to 1 p.m. And we didn't see anything.
At 11,
I swear to God, it was 11:15 or 11:20 when we walked right by the spot. We were pulled away. Nothing was there, no girl or anything. But the officers didn't believe me.
Yeah, and Roman is
Jose Miranda Ramos.
report. It says the civil guard spoke with him.
okay, do me a favor, look for the report from there, the official report from Alfonso Rizal. I don't know, you're sure?
11:15, 11:20, around here.
The report from this 10:31, 21st of September. When you and your wife passed by, there was no sign of the girl.
I'm telling you, when we walked by here, there was nothing.
So you can be secluded. Hello, Rizal.
Hello.
Remember me?
Of course. What was he doing? I didn't see the contact.
Call me once, please.
So where's Rodrigo?
We spoke. I believe it's best if I take over the case. Why did you call me from the beginning?
Because I should have been here at all. It's so awful what they're saying out there. Uncle, why do you think people do this to us?
The days will be difficult for some. But if you follow my plan and trust me, you'll be fine. The request that they will issue on the road. That Master Balbar had an interview too, but I'll prove you're innocent.
This is hard. And find out who they have as her possessions and keep them to the ropes.
No,
Why not? She's her godmother and she loves her so much.
I'm sure she does, but no one loves a daughter more than a child's own mother. You won't have the ashes with you when I get you out of here. Right?
You should know I'm not a bad mother. I would never hurt my girl. Do you believe that?
If I didn't, I wouldn't be talking to you. I'm going to prove it.
Don't worry, don't be crying. That's okay. I'm missing the surgery room. I'm at home. They're distracting things. I'm on the fight.
Can you please not make me smile right now? Antonio, all week you've all been told that it was wrong news. I've been sleeping and hungry. The truth is, it's scary. So please, I'm begging.
Let's stand up and follow Alfonso.
Correct.
Date and place of birth. August 2nd, 1964. Liverpool. Address. Republic of Argentina, Belgrade. Sofia. Marital status.
Divorce.
Any children? Any children?
Hang on there. Sit here. One minute.
Yeah.
The preliminary reports came in from Madrid. The lab results found traces of semen in the girl's shirt.
Now I have that. Thanks for listening.
What do you need? We're in the sex offenders database right now to see if we can get a hit with the semen from the car. You see something?
She is so beautiful.
More beautiful than the light, huh?
Yeah, I told Lucinda that I think she's going to spend the summer in Villanova with her godmother and in town with her kids. How about that? Agree? Just for a little bit.
What? Will you visit?
Well, of course. And while you're on vacation, I'll take care of mine. She'll have time to relax and I'll give her all the love she'll think she's taken such good care of us all the time. like you need it.
Hope you told your cutie, Sayura.
Yes, but not as fast as you like. Any comments about the Simmons Family Girls t-shirt?
You think you're so clever publishing that kind of bullshit, but it doesn't help bring the girls' killers to justice. I'm disappointed in you.
Prove it then.
Gaggle, I'm sorry.
So it's true that there's semen and not product. Or in other words, Judge Mallow really fucked up big time on this one.
Isa lang.
You're not God. You give you a chance to get ahead of JJ. I think he has additional evidence to back your third man.
Ayos na. Yun. Carbon lang pala yung siraan yun. Yun, yung ano.
Bakit?
Oo, ayun, nagwala. Yun. Kabigtad nga talaga. May orasan pala yun, ano? Parang itatabi naman ang wiring. Silo yan. Yan yung onion sa hangin. Kaya tayo na rin yata sa ito, hindi pala orasan. Ala ko orasan eh. Anyway, huwag na ano mo. Singawan. Nakulit pala eh.
I'm disappointed in you.
Prove it then.
Gaggle, I'm sorry.
So it's true that there's semen and not product. Or in other words, Judge Mallow really fucked up big time on this one. You give me a chance to get ahead of JJ. I think he has additional evidence.
Wala na. Wala na. Carbon lang, carbon. Oo, tama na yun yan. May tawag siya dun.
Yan. Malayan mo, i-pass natin tulungan.
Ito ay ko. Ayan.
Those bastards from the press are circling the wall.
Let's see, go. Think like that old woman who went to see the newborn grand. That's on board for you.
Wala.
Okay na pala eh. Sabi tawag ka niya eh. Kasama ka daw niya sa vlog. Ay. Yes, ito yung tornilyo. Manong. Pinahulog dyan.
Yung isa lang siya sa likod.
Sikot ng kalas.
Keep it up. Looking famous. What do you say? So what I don't understand is how do you think about because it will keep us from doing this. You love that. In fact, if we were
Sa likod. Ayun, no?
That's precisely silence and discretion. That's my problem. Leave this spotlight.
Okay ka lang dyan? Okay ka lang?
Kausap niya yan, di ba? May pwede.
to the screen. There's a man, and then there's a volleyball. He is
Satu kali itu nak di nak di nak keluar. Di nak keluar itu. Enggak. Semangat pula. Semangat. Jangan lagi. Apa? Yo basket di sana. Yo basket. Gitu. Legas pala. Ah, yo. Legas. Lahat ay masakalaban. So, let's go.
Let's just consult the public. Changing that starts with these kinds of details. We have nothing to hide.
If I ask for another search, do you think they'll find your computer?
Ano magiging ito?
Thank you so much for accepting our request. We will just confirm Mr. Westler's intentions and willingness to cooperate.
Yeah, I can see. All right. What is the performance deserves an honor.
Well, let's just do our job and get this.
Kaya daw.
Wrong.
Ilang pituan sa diba?
Ha?
Sa pituan.
Wala. Tungkol dito. Gusto mo na dito.
Pwede siguro siguro yung likod niya, magkakaroon ng space doon. Pwede yun na para nalagyan din ng storage niya. Hindi kasi magkakaroon kasi, pag sinarado mo yun, saan yung space doon?
Ayun na rin.
magaling mga gamit ko.
Kaya nga, pwedeng lagyan siguro may food na yun. Yun ang pwedeng lagyan ng pintuan. Para malagyan din ng para malagyan din ng yung likod na ito. So, yan. Mangyayari, meron dito splash. Sayang yung splash. Siguro gusto ko rin yung sarado, sayang yung splash. Yan. Wala ng guide drawer.
Pasok talaga siya. Hindi ka din ako.
Ayaw na.
Just listen from the first search. And now it turns out,
Ayaw na.
they would say word dogs. Well, this is all very convenient, isn't it? You're trying to sell a story, you pull things from a you prove it defended the house. It's up in the house.
Kinakain lang. May na.
Pasok kayo dati dyan, di ba? May voltage yun din.
You know what? Maybe your confidence is going to bite you.
With all due respect, Your Honor, you know perfectly well that this is an appearance.
May butas ba yan?
Excuse me. He's been in jail.
Team is part of this apartment. The girl accused the guy, we can also.
Take a seat. Fuck you. I'm sure you think you believe in everything on the heart. It shouldn't be mistakes. It's a trap. Let's see what's on that hard drive. You didn't write it down?
Ano ba yan, Pai?
Shower.
Yan ba yung mihigop ng init?
You know, I don't do the way I handle this choice. It was up to me myself. You don't want to do it.
Ano ba yung tawag yan? Exhaust, ano?
It's just simple.
Excuse pan.
Exhaust fan.
What did I teach you? What did I teach you? Well, sure. Answer a question with a question. For you. And you learn. It's easy. You have anything you can do. What's important is that I can never do this.
Hindi na picturean. Gawin na lang siya may iba. Gawin na lang. Meron din.
Dito mo lang kung pinapalimot ako.
Sabi ka ito dyan. Dito kumakot lang yun. Dito may dito.
Yan na yung
Bawi ba? Mas na. Yan lang dyan. Kasi
hindi na maangat.
ay sumabit ka.
the scene mistake on the t-shirt, the attack on the soldier on July 4th.
How about we request a separate?
But I'll take that. You have to walk to go far. You could fall. This particular case is a pattern that has many parts, and the most important doesn't necessarily take place in the court. Sweetheart, a good lawyer knows the law. A great lawyer also knows the judges. Could you send me the number for the F1 journals? Tiago Square.
Yun.
Good morning, Mr. Lugaro. Can you tell us where you are?
Can you please come with us? We need you to answer some questions.
Okay.
Go get your ID.
Okay.
You can come in, right?
Okay.
Thank you.
Pahirapan yung vlogger natin ah. Pahirapan niya si vlogger. Hindi lang yung awang school.
Excuse me, but what's this all about? If it's about to happen this summer, I don't have anything to add to my statement. I mean, if there's samples of everything, Charlie gets it for it. It's all consensual, I swear to God.
Congratulations for that. You can come with us.
I have to call the bakery, let them know, I can't do this stuff, and I have to let them know.
If you don't, we-
Saan mo gagawin?
We'll be there for you.
Hindi pa.
Missouri of the year.
Gagawin din naman natin.
How do you explain the fact that we found biological traces of you on the t-shirt?
Makes sense.
You said that.
Is what happened in your apartment this summer also mistake? So when it's future, it's a misunderstanding, and when it doesn't, it's a mistake.
I was drinking and eating else. I didn't force you out inside. Mr. Lynn, you could do something. Listen, I'm getting married soon. I'm in love with my fiance. You find that hard to believe. She forgave me for that. Please, I don't want to put her through this.
Listen, do you believe in paranormal phenomena? You do. I believe everything can be explained. Even a judge pursues the truth.
Please, I swear, I've done a lot of things wrong, but I killed it.
I'll be honest with you. Okay, take it easy. The reason we need information is to see what can be proven and what can't be proven, right? How about we start with September 21st? Can you recall where you were and who, what you did? You don't remember. It was a Saturday. Is that help professional?
Oh, Saturday. My fiance and I went together. We were shopping at the mall, and there's no for sure I never went to jail. I swear, it's true. It wouldn't even be possible. On the 1st and 15th, I reported to Corey Montanera for holding my passport there. But I'm not working at the bakery. I really don't go out. I will just stay at my fiance's place or at home with my sister.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Mayor. Any questions from the defense attorney, from Ms. Porter or Mr. Sarah?
Yes, we still have one question, Mr. Lawyer. Tell me how it's possible that you were in Madrid on the 21st of September. If we have confirmed that there are traces of your sperm on a Super Sparrows t-shirt that day in the incident, explain that to us.
Like I said, please ask the officers that searched my apartment. They looked through my trash. I know they found it. But I can't tell you what they did to me.
Yeah, I hear you, Mr. Mayor. But understand that in this moment, the evidence is irrefutable.
Where were you on July 4th? How is that relevant?
What wasn't there? He's a young Latino man Why? Because the poor bastard lied. He wasn't police here.
If you can rule out Marito, it's going to be very difficult in a strong case against Ariana. It's really fucked up, dude.
And
Yes, Your Honor?
Christina, that boy's shooting himself. Any luck with his fiancée or sister?
Yes. Where would his sister go?
Yo. Umakot ka naman.
On that Saturday, I took some pictures with my phone. I uploaded them to Facebook.
Do you mind if we hold on to your phone? We'll get back to you. We need to confirm the picture from that day.
I'm not sure, officer. I'm not sure if it's on the picture. I remember where it went. We were together to pick up the St. Louis wedding.
Super what?
Yeah, at the nearby mall. And we went to a restaurant and had dinner.
So I love to ask questions.
I don't know what it's like. But I got the dinner for the first time. It was 50 people. I didn't find it at the day this morning.
Yes, that is important.
Was he here? Have you seen him before?
I think so, but I can't be sure. Son, he was with someone.
You recall selling the suit, right? Right here. It's on the receipt dated the 21st of September.
Of
Yes.
course. When I started here, there were two. That one and the other still available. I'll show you.
No. Don't trouble yourself. I know these suits are always bad. In this case, I suppose it's a good saving. I appreciate your time.
Not long.
What?
I know, I just got on the close.
I was sent to buy article samples collected since the case started. There's one that's driving the police crazy. The scene traces family toxin units. Those biological traces are irrefutable scientific evidence. Those traces don't belong to the family who's still in prison. Who's that? Are they hiding? Those are the questions we all defense lawyers keep asking ourselves.
Let's go.
If the rumors are being involuntarily, my client should be home right now. More than ever.